Hello, you guys. Hello, it's Vicky with Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm so excited. This week is going to be spring slash Easter. I'm kind of more on the Easter side than spring, but Easter and spring is basically going to be the next 2 weeks. We're going to do next 2 weeks, just letting you guys know, just giving you guys a sneak peek of what's coming up for my videos. I got 5 videos this week. The first one is probably going to be, well, I don't know what order they're going to be in. I take that back. I don't know what order they're going to be in, but this is going to be one of them. It's a wood and metal bunny. How cute is that? We got a lot of bunny stuff this week. A lot of bunnies. This is a bunny head with an egg, wood-shaped items. You'll have to take a look at this video to see how that one goes together. And this one is one of those metal stake bunnies. But if you look real close, he's got all sorts of extras. He is not just metal. He's got all sorts of extras and stuff with him on that one. Definitely check out that video. Check them all out. Check all the videos out. This is going to be my only shelf sitter item. How cute is that? I got to show you the wood. It's got a wood base. Absolutely love the way this turned out. This is so cute. And then the last thing, we've got carrots. We've got carrots, and then we've got a little bunny friend too. How cute is that, right? So that's going to be all my stuff for this week. Stay tuned, you guys. Keep coming back for some more. Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you're curious, if you want to see anything specific, or if you kind of have like an idea you want to throw out at me. Let me know, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, you guys. Happy crafting.